A well-known restaurant chef taught how to make the best garlic Parmesan chicken. Here I have 2 chicken breast fillets, and I'll start by cutting each one in half. To season my fillets well, I place them all together in a bowl. Now I'm going to season them with a bit of paprika and also add some black pepper. I'll also add salt to taste. With my hands, I spread the seasonings evenly over the top. Then I flip each fillet to season the other side the same way. Both sides are now seasoned. Now to give the chicken breast a special touch, I sprinkle all-purpose flour over the top. Once this part is done, I set them aside. In my skillet, I add 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine and, along with it, a generous drizzle of olive oil. I stir to let the butter melt well, then I immediately place the chicken fillets into the skillet. I arrange all the pieces to fit nicely, laying them in order. Since the chicken shrinks a bit as it cooks, I space them well and let them brown. The fillets are already golden on one side. Look how nicely they browned. Now I flip all the pieces so they cook evenly on both sides. They are all well cooked, so I remove them and place them on a plate. Let's continue the recipe by making the sauce directly in the same skillet. Into the skillet, I add 3 finely chopped garlic cloves to bring out the aroma. A garlic tip, I add some scallion stems to give the chicken a special flavor. I also add 1/6 cup of white wine to enhance the taste. I stir well, and when the mixture has reduced a bit, I add 1 tablespoon of mustard, which adds a slightly tangy and balanced flavor. I stir quickly so the mustard blends well with the wine, garlic, and scallions, creating a flavorful sauce base. This step gives it a rich and delicious taste. I stir well and now add a little over 3/4 cup of heavy cream. I pour in the whole amount and stir gently. I also add 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I mix everything and let the cream come to a boil until it thickens slightly. With the sauce nice and creamy, I return the chicken pieces we had set aside. One important detail, that juice left on the plate from the chicken. Add that too, because it gives a special flavor to the dish. Let everything boil together for a few minutes to combine all the flavors. To finish, I add a few crescent-shaped slices of tomato for freshness. If you have cherry tomatoes, you can use those in this recipe too. I finish with chopped cilantro and scallions to add color and aroma. This final touch makes the dish look nice and taste even better. The sauce has boiled well and is at the perfect point. Now all that's left is to turn off the heat, and then just serve a piece of this chicken with its creamy sauce.